Show me the bird.
It's weird. The bird won't come out. It's facing this way, but it won't come
What's on
out.
your shirt? Let me see. Show me your shirt. A little. What is that? Is it poo?
No, not poo.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
It looks like bird poo. Smell it.
I'm not gonna smell it, Chris. I smelled it. It's not bird poo.
Grandma, it's got to be bird poo.
I don't know what it is, but as soon as this bird decides to get off me, I'm going to get my shirt and change it.
Well, no,
It's not coming back
you
on.
don't have to change it. It's on the inside. No one's going to see it.
It's gonna be against my body.
Well, it was already there. If it's not bird poo, it was already there.
No, it wasn't there.
Then it's bird poo. All right?
Unless I spilled chocolate. Cupcake.
Oh, you're so cute.